Good day, viewers. Welcome to day 6 of our Healthful Living series. Today, our presenter is Ebenezer. Ebenezer, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good. How old are you?
I'm 14.
Okay. Today, Ebenezer will be telling us about the body's ability to repair itself. So, Ebenezer, how does the body repair itself?
Diet guides will teach you that the way to good health is by keeping all unhealthy foods out of sight and out of reach. When a craving strikes, they suggest you suffer through it. An ill person needs blood cleansing and tissue cleansing. This can be done by means of raw, fresh fruits and vegetables and rest. It is a remarkable fact that the body can heal itself with the help of God. The choices you make about diet and nutrition are vital to your well-being and that of your family. Good health can be built and disease prevented if you take proper care of the body and eat right. If you eat the proper food in the proper amount, the body has been built in ways to process the food into needed energy. And if a person is ill, the body has also been built in ways to produce healing. Now I'm going to talk about how the body can heal itself. The body system is subject to wear and tear, but when disease strikes, the regular functions are temporarily set aside and the body goes to work to regenerate itself. Instead of using the energy for food digestion, muscular activity, the body switches over to cleansing, repair, and rebuild. When a person is sick, his organs are weary and overloaded with toxins. The word disease is as it says, the body is no longer at ease. Disease is a natural effort of nature to cleanse the body of its toxins. Let the body rest a while and rebuild its organs. Disease is not meant to be an enemy but a friend. This is the time when you should help the body to gain its health and to get rid of the toxins. It is obvious that this needs to be done very carefully, and you must pray for guidance from God and proceed with this journey carefully. God bless you. I thank you.
Thank you, Ebenezer. Here we have a young person telling us that if we're not at optimum health, it is our body's way of telling us that we need to relax and trust in God. Thank you.